Are you tired of losing money trading the markets? Well, I've been there and it sucks, but I didn't quit. I refined my strategy until I found a simple system that works. And now, I'm willing to share it with you absolutely free to save you years of frustration and costly mistakes. So what do you say? Ready to dive in and change your trading results for good? I'm here to show you the way. It's time to stop losing and start winning. Let's get to work. Alright traders, listen up. I've got a simple strategy that will put wins in your pocket on a consistent basis. You can trade any currency pair or time frame you want with this strategy. First, go to TradingView and add the Super Bollinger Trend Indicator to any currency pair and time frame you choose. Next, go to the settings and turn off everything except the label. Then set the period to 14, boom, you're in business. Here's how you're going to make money. When you see a red downward pointing triangle form above a candle, you're going to short. Green upward triangle, you go long, my friend. Alright traders, listen up. To improve our win rate and cutting losing trades, we're gonna add a second indicator to the strategy, the AK MACD BB indicator. Next, we gotta customize it. Under Inputs, set BB period to 14, Deviations to 1, Fast length to 14, Slow length to 27, and Signal length to 9. Under Style, we only need the plotter options. Turn off the rest to declutter the chart. Now here's the key. To confirm buy signals from the first indicator, we need a green dot from the AK MACD at the same time, and red dot confirms a sell. For example, see this buy signal? The AK MACD shows a green dot right then. And here's a sell signal confirmed with a red dot. The AK MACD acts as a filter, validating the signals and weeding out bad trades. Now I'm about to share with you one of the best trend confirmation indicators and the exact settings you should use. First, add the ultimate moving average indicator to your chart. Then in the settings, change the time frame to chart. Set the moving average length to 200. For TEMA, select 7. By making these customizations, you now have an amazing indicator to validate trends. If the price is above the ultimate MA line and the line is green, the trend is up, so sell signals will be filtered out. But if the price is below the ultimate MA line and the line is red, the trend is down, so buy signals will be filtered out. This indicator will help you trade in the direction of the main trend and avoid trading against it. Adding trend filters like this can really turbocharge your results. Listen closely here. This example perfectly illustrates how this trend indicator can save you from bad trades. This first buy signal is filtered out because the MA line is red. The second sell signal is filtered out since the candle is above the MA line. The third buy signal is also filtered due to the red MA line color. The next sell signal is filtered because the candle was above the MA line. And the final buy signal is filtered again since the MA line was still red. This is great! When the market was choppy with no clear trend, this indicator kept you from taking any trades and avoiding potential losses. You remained on the sidelines until a strong trend emerges and the indicator gives you a confirmed signal. That's the kind of discipline this will help build, only trading high probability setups in your favor. Alright traders, here's how you enter a buy trade following this strategy. First thing, wait for that buy signal from the Super Bollinger Trend indicator. That's your green light to take action. Then confirm the uptrend by checking that CM moving average line is green, showing the price is above it. Two indicators now saying go long. The AK MACD indicator needs to give its approval with a green dot for the full triple validation. Once you've got that three-part green light, the signal is confirmed. Now enter the trade at the close of that signal candle. For risk management, set your stop loss below the recent swing low. This limits your maximum loss to a manageable amount. Then exit the trade when profits hit 1.5 times your stop loss. This is a smart risk-to-reward ratio. Alright traders, here's how you enter a sell trade following this strategy. First things first, you've got to wait for that red sell signal from the Super Bollinger Trend indicator. That's your cue to get short. Next, confirm the downtrend by checking if the CM moving average line is red, showing price action is below it. Two indicators now saying get short. For the triple confirmation, the AK MACD indicator needs to bless the idea with a red dot. Once you've got the full green light from all three, the signal is locked and loaded. Enter the trade at the close of that signal candle. For risk management, place your stop loss above the recent swing high. This limits your maximum possible loss. Then exit the trade when profits hit 1.5 times your stop loss. That's a solid risk to reward target. But most importantly, if you want to be able to trade in all market conditions, you gotta watch this recommended video. I'll show you the skills you need to succeed no matter what the market throws at you.